I am Lovelyn Abalos and I will explain the number 5, 6, 7, and 8 sa quiz number 1. So sa number 5, Mr. Adam deposited 120,000 pesos in a bank who offers 8% interest compounded quarterly. If the interest is subject to a 14% tax, how much will he receive after 5 years? So, magkano daw yung matatanggap ni Adam after 5 years? So, sulat muna natin yung mga given. Meron tayong given na principal amount, 120,000 pesos. And yung mode of interest natin quarterly, which is equal to 4. Yung rate of interest natin, 0.08 over 4. Number of interest, periods natin na 20. And yung tax na 14%. So, yung gagamitin nating formula is F is equal to P times 1 plus I raised to N. So, isa-substitute lang natin yung mga given. 120,000 times 1 plus I na 0.08 over 4 raised to 20. So, yung makukuha natin dito is 178,313.69. Yan na yung future amount. Pero hindi pa yan kasi meron pang tax na 14%. Hanapin muna natin yung total interest earned na initial. So, sabihin na lang natin I initial F minus P. So, 178,313.69 minus 120,000 equals to 58,313.69. Then, ita-times naman natin yung tax para mamaya sa pagkuha natin sa final. So, 58,313.69 times yung tax na 0.14 equal siya sa 8,163.92. So, para naman kunin yung total interest earned na final, ma-minus lang natin tong I initial sa nakuha natin dito. So, sabihin natin IF 58,313.69 minus 8,163.92. IF naman natin ngayon is 50,149.77. So, makukuha na ngayon natin yung future amount. So, F is equal to P plus yung I final natin. F is equal to 120,000 plus 50,149.77. So, yung future amount natin ngayon, 170,149.77. So, ito na yung hinahanap na sagot dun sa may question na matatanggap ni Adam after 5 years. Yung 170,149.77. So, meron siyang matatanggap na 170,149.77 after 5 years. What interest compounded monthly is equivalent to an interest rate of 14% compounded quarterly. So, ang hinahanap dito is yung interest compounded monthly. So, set lang natin yung effective annual interest rate. May given tayo na mode of interest which is monthly at saka quarterly. Sa monthly, equal siya sa 12. Tsaka sa quarterly, equal siya sa 4. And sa quarterly, given dito yung interest na 14%. And sa monthly naman, yun yung hinahanap natin. So, gagamitin nating formula dyan is yung effective rate of interest equals 1 plus J2 over M2 raised to M minus 1. Yan yung gagamitin natin para makuha yung katumbas na interest ng magkabilang compounding year. Nang sa ganon, magkaiba man ng interest at compounding year ay parehas lang ng magiging future value. So, substitute lang natin yung mga given. ER is equal to 1 plus 0.14 over 4 raised to 4 minus 1. So, ang ER natin ngayon is equal to 0.1475. So, sa formula pa rin na to ng ER, makukuha na natin yung interest para sa monthly. So, sa substitute lang ulit natin, gagamitin na natin itong monthly. So, ER is equal to 1 plus J over M raised to M minus 1. Meron tayong 0.1475. Ito yun. Is equal to 1 plus J, yung hinahanap natin. And yung month na 12 raised to 12 minus 1. So, magiging 1.1475 is equal to 1 plus J over 12 raised to 12. So, yung hinahanap natin na interest compounded monthly is equal siya ng 0.1384 or 13.84%. So, ito na yung hinahanap natin na interest compounded monthly sa problem. So, sa monthly, meron siyang mode of interest na 12 at saka meron siyang interest na 13.84 and sa quarterly, 4 and 14%. So, ito na yung hinahanap nating answer. At an annual rate of return of 8%, what is the future worth of 1,000 pesos at the end of 4 years? So, madali lang naman siya kasi future worth lang naman yung hinahanap. Future worth ng 1,000 pesos at the end of 4 years. So, sulat muna natin yung mga given. Meron tayong given na I is equal to 0.08. Tsaka yung principal amount natin na 1,000 pesos. Number of interest periods na 4. And yung F yung hinahanap natin. So, gagamitin natin yung formula na future amount is equal to P times 1 plus I raised to N. So, isa-substitute lang naman natin siya. 1,000 pesos times 1 plus 0.08 raised to 4. So, makukuha na natin dyan yung F na 1,360.50 pesos. So, ito na yung hinahanap natin na future worth ng 1,000 pesos at the end of 4 years. Meron siyang 1,360.50 pesos na future worth. A firm borrows 2,000 pesos for 6 years at 8%. At the end of the 6 years, it renews the loan for the amount due plus 2,000 pesos more for 2 years at 8%. What is the lump sum due? So, ang hinahanap dito is yung lump sum. Sulat muna natin yung mga given. May given tayo na N1, which is the 6 years, and N2 na 2 years. Principal amount na 2,000 pesos. Tsaka yung 8% interest natin. Total, ang hinahanap naman dito is yung lump sum. Gagamitin natin yung formula na F is equal to P times 1 plus I raised to N1 plus N2 plus P times 1 plus I raised to N2. So, isa-substitute lang natin yung mga given. 2,000 1 plus 0.08 raised to 8 plus 2,000 1 plus 0.08 raised to 2. So, makukuha natin dito is 6,034.66 pesos. So, ito na yung hinahanap na lump sum dun sa may question. Ito na yung answer. Meron siyang future amount na 6,034.66 pesos.